Have you ever shared a PDF document only to realize it contains incorrect or outdated information like the title, author name, subject, or keywords? Many PDF files include hidden metadata that can affect document organization, search results, and even your privacy. Editing this information manually can be difficult, especially if you don't have professional PDF software. That's where Softaken Edit PDF Metadata Online Free comes in. The problem: PDF metadata stores important document information such as title, author, subject, keywords, creator, producer. If this information is incorrect, outdated, or contains sensitive details, your documents may look unprofessional, become difficult to organize, or expose unnecessary information. Traditional PDF editors are often expensive, require installation, or include complicated editing tools just to change metadata. The solution: Softaken Edit PDF Metadata Online Free provides a quick and simple way to update PDF metadata directly from your web browser. No software installation is required. Simply upload your PDF file, edit the metadata fields you want, and download the updated PDF within seconds. Benefits of editing PDF metadata online: full property editor, edit title, author, subject, and keywords. Local processing: your files stay private. Free to use: edit unlimited PDFs for free. Loads existing data: metadata loads automatically. Instant save: download updated PDF in seconds. No installation: works directly in your browser. No sign up: start editing instantly. Desktop support: batch metadata editing available. How to use: Step 1. Upload your PDF. Drop the file, existing title, author, and keywords load automatically. Step 2. Edit metadata. Change title, author, subject, keywords, and creator fields. Step 3. Download updated PDF. Click Download to save your PDF with the updated metadata instantly. If you're looking for an easy, secure, and professional way to edit PDF metadata online, Softaken Edit PDF Metadata Online Free is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching.